Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've been doing several of these, and this might be by far the easiest, and maybe you'll gain something from this. This is really, really easy. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a rectangle, holding down the control button to get a perfect square. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to take and hold down the shift key and bring this in. You don't have to do anything to it. Control D, make a duplicate, and rotate it 45 degrees. Now you just need to use your imagination and fill this, take out this, so you have this part. Take your Smart Fill tool, fill it in with any color. I'm going to just do a black. And here's kind of the key. Take your interactive fill tool, pick on fountain fill and pick on elliptical. Move this square to the center. Bring this all the way around, and you can see now you have darker corners, and you can still play with it quite a bit. You know, bring this one down, bring this one up, down, you know, do your slide bar. You can actually move this out more, you know, just to your heart's content. Maybe bring this like right there. And that's good. I'm going to bring in some indexing lines. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Just so I'll know where the center is, we're going to take this Smart Fill. And normally I use the rotation, just Control D and rotate it 45 degrees. But on this one, I'm going to use a Docker, transform, rotation, 45 degrees. We only need 7 of them because we need 8, but we've already got one. And hit apply, and look at that. Then select it all and right click, no outline. That's a pretty unique looking shape. And if you did it in colors, there's no telling what it would look like. Let's back up here. We did so many adjusting on the Smart Fill. I could have just, easiest thing to do would just be to take it and delete it. Let's use a color this time and just see what it's going to look like. Let's go with a yellow, and let's go with the interactive fill tool, fountain fill, conical, move this up top. And now we need to bring in maybe another color. So you can very easily take like let's take this orange right here and put it to there. So now we have some yellows in a burnt orange or an orange. You know, you could still go at any time, go back to your interactive fill tool and change things, put this way up here, move that handle down. Try to make this side look as much with yellow as that side. And then just do the same thing. You got to double click on it, put your that doesn't really matter, but double click on it and put your rotation in the center. Look at that. That'd be pretty good print on a t-shirt. And if you played around with it, maybe let's add a black line around it, just see what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you.